작은 시골 마을 빙판 위에서 아이스하키 선수가 꾸민 남자가 있었죠. 하지만 태어날 때부터 시각장애인이었던 남자. 모든 걸 포기하고 싶을 때 힘이 되는 그런 그의 꿈과 그리고 사랑 이야기. 지금 시작합니다. 몇 년 동안 일만 하고 살았던 에이미.
So, Betsy, why am I doing this? You're tired, just butt out of the office on a stretcher if you don't get some rest.
동료의 걱정에 휴가를 떠난 여자.
Betsy?
온천에 가다 길을 잃어버리고
Woods and, there's no Bear Mountain.
그때 멀리서 하키를 하는 남자를 보게 되죠.
Oh, wow, wait, there's the sign. I got it.
갑자기 남자는 사라지고 다행히 온천에 도착하게 됩니다. 평소 운동을 하지 않았던 에이미. 매니저에게 추천을 받아보지만
Do you have anything that involves just lying down? Have one a day and not too early. Massage?
그렇게 두 사람의 만남은 시작되었죠. 다음 날 늦은 아침, 생각 없이 마사지 샵으로 걸어가는 여자. 나지막하게 에이미를 부르는 목소리.
Amy, are you out there? Come on in. Hi, I'm Virgil.
Hi.
Why don't you take your clothes off and
마사지가 오랜만이었던 에이미.
Sunny side up or down?
on your stomach there.
친절하게 설명해주는 남자.
I'm gonna start off somewhat deep.
Where I come from, all you get is shallow.
Wheels because you're late and that's why you have that tension.
생각외로 그의 손길에 스트레스가 풀려버리고
Too deep? We should stop for today.
알 수 없는 눈물을 흘립니다.
Well, now, unless you'd like me to stay.
우연인 듯 버질의 손길 덕분에 일상에 짓눌렸던 마음을 내려놓을 수 있게 되죠. 촛불을 끄는 남자. 잠든 그녀에게 방해될까 조용히 그곳을 나갑니다. 갑자기 잠에서 깨버린 에이미.
See you tomorrow.
알 수 없는 이끌림에 그 남자를 뒤따라 나서게 되고
Hey, Virgil!
고맙다는 말이라도 해보고 싶습니다.
Hi.
Amy.
첫인상도 마음에 들었죠.
Didn't recognize you with your clothes on.
어젯밤 스케이트 타던 남자.
Oh my god, you're the skater. In.
Really?
Yeah. I saw you last night driving in.
You a hockey fan?
이런저런 이야기를 하다 남자의 통근차가 도착하고
My ride.
아쉬웠던 여자.
Hey, Virg.
그때까지 그의 비밀을 모르고 있었던 에이미.
But you were very kind to me. So I wanted to thank you for what you did.
Virgil!
I'm gonna see you tomorrow. I booked an.
그렇게 내일 다시 만나자고 인사를 하는 순간 알게 되죠.
Okay, I'll
앞을 보지 못하는 남자.
Oh my god. What? I'm sorry. I didn't realize.
Hey, you already apologized once.
그녀는 혼란스러웠죠.
I'll see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
첫눈에 마음에 들었던 남자. 하지만 장애인이었던 사람. 그녀는 고민에 빠지게 됩니다. 맹인경과 외롭게 살고 있었던 버질.
Jesse, get off the bed.
에이미가 맘속에 남았던 남자.
Met a girl today. She had the most amazing voice. And she smelled like
Sounds more like a recipe for a coffee cake than a girl.
you're here.
누나가 그를 보살펴주고 있습니다.
So how are the kids?
So who's the girl?
Oh, just a spa girl client.
Gone and weak.
그에게 여자란 포기한 지 오래였죠.
You're not jealous of a coffee cake, are you?
Are you gonna stay and watch some hockey?
I'd work on the jokes if I were you. I'll be next door if you need me.
So this girl,
하지만 에이미가 자꾸 떠오릅니다.
she thought I could see.
그녀에게 용기를 내어봅니다. 그녀의 객실한 운명은 이런 걸 두고 말하는 걸까요? 지금 이상한 일이 일어나고 있습니다. 사실 그의 부드러운 말투와 매너 있던 모습에 그녀도 역시 그를 생각하고 있습니다. 그때 누군가 문을 두드리고
Coming. Hang on. Coming.
용기를 내어 그녀를 찾아온 남자.
I should have told you I was blind. I turned to apologize.
Do you want to come in? I'm sorry. I just got out of the shower. I have to get changed.
Promise I won't look.
I'm just gonna go change right back.
All right.
You didn't have to come all the way back up here. Just.
농담을 하죠.
Oh, it's in the neighborhood.
You were in the neighborhood.
데이트 신청하는 남자.
All right, I'll confess. Thought maybe you'd want to get some fresh air and take a walk around town. Just see what we see.
그녀도 싫지 않습니다.
Figure of speech. I'm blind and you're deaf.
Right here, right now.
Two lampposts.
작은 마을을 걸어가는 두 사람.
You see that guy across the street? My friend Bruce.
Oh my God, yeah.
Yeah. We watch the game together sometimes.
앞을 못 본 때를 물어보는 에이미.
Do you mind me asking how long you've been blind?
Started when I was 1 and completely gone by the time I was 3.
So you see no bright lights?
Blind as a bat.
박쥐보다 못하고
I really wish I could sing like
노래도 못하는
wish I could play the piano like Ray Charles.
자신을 그런 못난이라 말하죠.
This is the end.
그렇게 아쉬운 데이트가 끝나갈 무렵 비가 오려 합니다.
Starting to rain.
There was a little breeze, but oh my God.
마음으로 모든 걸 볼 수 있는 남자.
Okay, wait, let's go this way.
폐가 쪽으로 몸을 피하는 두 사람.
Oh, do you like the rain? I love it.
그는 비가 좋다고 하죠.
Do you hear that? Feel everything at once.
보이지 않지만
Feeling all the walls. Understand dimension.
감성으로 모든 걸 느끼는 남자.
Bound across, there's no walls. You hear that? It's got its own rhythm. Hear that? Ping, ping, ping. Close your eyes. Listen with your whole body.
No, it's beautiful. That little sound like a whisper.
건축 디자이너인 에이미. 이제서야 알았죠.
I should
What's that?
share a feeling. I don't think I've ever felt it like this before. It's an architectural term.
그의 손을 자신의 얼굴로 가져가며
I wanted you to know I was smiling.
당신 때문에 다른 세상이 보인다고 말해주고 싶습니다. 다음 날
Before you lost your sight, do you remember seeing anything at all?
가장 기억에 남는 걸 물어보고
People say it's the clouds, but I don't think it was. Puffy thing. It was a good memory. I remembered it all these years.
아직도 그 기억을 찾고 싶은 남자. 많은 이야기라며 그를 알아가지만
You're very good at what you do.
That's what I do. Sometimes more than others.
This time?
Time's up.
시간은 벌써 끝나버리고
We were just getting started.
Yeah.
조금 더 함께하고 싶었죠.
You're a client. I'm not supposed to get that close to you.
So what does that mean?
Come over to my house for dinner so you can finish the massage.
그렇게 집으로 초대하지만
Hello? You're in for a real surprise. I'm cooking. What time are you coming over?
I can't come tonight. I'm so sorry. I have to go back into the city and
갑자기 회사에 문제가 생겼던
I
에이미.
gotta go back in and save it. I'm gonna come back, okay?
Bye.
Okay.
언제나 그랬듯 이별이라 생각했던 남자.
We'll take care of it. We won't let you down.
하지만 정말로 문제가 있었습니다.
We got the guy hooked. We've got your second chance.
Now, we're gonna design the whole thing around them, okay?
며칠 사이 갑자기 긍정적으로 변해버린 여자.
What's going on here? A few days ago, we sent off Hydra, the three-headed monster, and we get back Mary Poppins in return.
I rested. I exercised. I met a guy.
버질 이야기를 꺼내는 에이미.
You met a guy. That's
Great guy. Smart, funny, blind.
갑자기 황당한 동료들.
I thought you said he was blind. He was blonde. Blind, like.
That too.
I know you like a challenge. Hell, you married me, but
Duncan, don't be a jerk.
사실 던커는 그녀와 이혼한 사이였죠. 나를 다시 움직이는 남자. 그녀는 버질을 돕고 싶었다.
Everyone's gone for the day. I'm just gonna work here a little bit longer. Just doing something. What? I just want to know a little bit more about the
그를
guys.
도와줄 방법을 찾고 있던 에이미.
Listen, do you have any idea what you're getting into?
다시 힘들게 될까 동료는 걱정합니다. 하지만
Have you ever listened to the rain? Betsy, I've, for the past 5 years, lived with a man who has the emotional content of a soap dish. And there's something about this guy. I mean, I'm inspired again. I can draw again. When he touches me, I feel like he does it.
Here we go. It's the sex.
It's not yet. No.
자신을 보지 못한다는 걸 알지만
The way that he touches me, to know me better, not to get something from me. He just moves me inside.
떠났다고 생각하는 남자. 그가 그리웠던 여자.
Wayne Gretzky, look out!
그녀가 다시 찾아올 줄은 몰랐었죠.
I went up to the lodge and you weren't there.
놀랐지만 스케이트 타자고 하며
So surprised you're here. You want to go skating?
This is ice. I don't have ice.
Yeah? Ready? Don't look down.
그러면서 버질은 그녀에 대해 물어봅니다.
How did you become an architect?
미술을 전공했던 에이미. 방황했던 그때 던컨을 만났고
Then I met this guy. architectural grad student.
Me and the grad student got married.
We're divorced now, it's okay. But still working together. Crazy.
아직 같이 일한다는 말에 소심한 복수를 해버리죠.
You think I meant to do that? Yeah.
한 번쯤 자신을 쳐다보길 바랬던
I'm
에이미.
looking at you, right? And there's this little thing I do with my eyes where I'm sort of. I realize it doesn't matter.
No, it doesn't matter. Let me see.
하지만 그녀의 얼굴을 만져보며 그녀를 보려 합니다.
You're very beautiful.
그렇게 키스를 나누며 마음을 확인하는 두 사람. 이들은 행복할 수 있을까요? 다음날 버질의 집에서 점자책을 보고 있는 에이미. 그러다 우연히 버질의 앨범을 보게 되고 어릴 적 사진을 살펴보다 아론 박사를 발견하게 되죠. 혹시라도 그를 도울 수 있다는 생각을 하고 그때 버질의 누나와 만나게 됩니다.
Hi.
Nice to meet you.
You too.
Hi.
에이미가 빨리 돌아가기를 바라는 제니.
Okay.
Amy, how long are you in town? No, you're not. You're bleeding.
God damn it, I said I'm okay.
It's just a chair.
아이 취급하는 누나에게 화가 났었죠.
Happens to everybody.
Nice to have met you, Amy.
당황한 제니가 돌아가고
She's just being jealous.
에이미는 다시 그가 넘어지지 않게 자료를 더 찾아봅니다. 그가 좋아할 거라 생각한 여자 아론 박사에게 연락을 해버렸죠.
Hi.
Hey, I have some great news.
I'm all ears.
버질에게 도움이 되려 했지만 하지만 그녀는 모르고 있었습니다.
Hey?
Have you ever wondered what it would be like to see?
What are we talking about?
I saw that article on Dr. Aaron.
Who?
He's the leading eye surgeon on the Eastern Seaboard.
버질이 앞을 볼 가능성이 있다는 것이죠.
A chance of reversal.
놀라는 버질.
You call this guy?
그는 갑자기 화를 내기 시작하고
Help the handicap week.
What's the problem?
There is no goddamn problem.
그를 설득하기 위해 제니에게 찾아가지만
Amy, right?
Right. Could I speak to you for a minute? Well, there's something that I don't understand.
Yeah, something wrong?
자신이 아론 박사에게 연락을 했다고 말을 합니다.
And he's willing to see Virgil. If I had spent almost my entire
버질이 화내는 이유가 궁금했었죠.
acted as if I was trying to. And there was even the remotest possibility that
What don't you understand?
하지만 그녀 또한 화를 내며 말합니다.
When there's something that you've adapted to, Amy, Virgil has everything he needs. Could you go and change it without knowing the consequences? I would give him my own eyes if it would help him see, but it won't.
look, I see where you're coming from.
Yes. He spent the first 8 years of his life poked at by doctors.
사실 버질은 모든 치료를 했었던 것이죠.
My father had him lined up outside the door. He doesn't need to go through that again. You understand?
이유를 알게 된 에이미. 버질에게 미안한 마음이 듭니다.
Hi, Amy.
그에게 사과를 하기로 하죠.
Do you want to, come in?
I just wanted to apologize for stomping around in your life like Bigfoot.
갑자기 나무를 보라는 남자.
See the tree over there? Across the drive. Where way is it?
Guessing.
거리는 8m 정도이지만
To you, maybe, but to me?
그에게는 14걸음이었던 것입니다.
Think about something else. If I go too slow, smash right in.
바꾸면 부딪히는 남자.
Oh, you like smashing into trees?
그걸 몰랐던 여자. 그렇게 그들은 서로에게 조금 더 다가갑니다. 다음 날 떠나야 하는 에이미. 잠을 자지 못했죠.
Couldn't sleep.
Come back in bed.
그렇게 마지막 밤을 보내게 됩니다. 다음 날 누나와 다투고 있는 남자.
No.
그렇게 제니는 떠나버리고 걱정되었던 에이미는 버질에게 다가갑니다.
Is everything all right?
I didn't like the feeling last night of waking up and
그녀와 함께하고 싶었던 남자. 결국 뉴욕으로 함께 떠나기로 하죠. 대도시로 나가는 게 처음이었지만 마지막일 수 있는 그런 행복을 놓치고 싶지는 않았습니다. 그렇게 아론 박사를 찾아간 두 사람.
And if the disease to the retina is reduced or possibility, we can give you sight. Sure, we can get the institute to pick up the bill here.
전에도 그런 수술을 받았던 버질.
A long way since then. 25 years ago, cataract surgery was in the dark age. And,
What if it doesn't work?
사실 두려웠죠.
well, I mean, basically, what have you got to lose?
Okay, we'll do some blind 101.
잠시 후 에이미 집에 가게 되고 물건의 위치를 알려줍니다.
Whoa, a little further right. The bed. I have a computer. Got my model here.
What's this?
This is
에이미가 만든 조각상.
You did it.
art school. It's not very good. Whatever. I mean, I can never finish it. The wall of windows.
바람 때문에 도면들이 날아가고
They're my plans.
What are the plans? The drawings?
The one you're touching is a drawing.
조각상과 도면들. 그는 에이미의 모든 걸 보고 싶었죠.
What are you thinking about?
I want to have this operation.
You mean?
Yes.
그렇게 위험을 감수하고 수술을 받고 있는 남자. 수술하는 동안 이야기라는 두 여자.
It's pretty bad.
버질의 부모님을 물어보는 에이미.
Father, well, he left us. Well, our mom died when I was 18.
사실 제니는 어릴 적부터 버질을 돌봐왔던 것입니다.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't know. You're taking care of him all alone.
제니를 이해하게 된 에이미.
Right, that is bad.
That's it. Let's patch him up, Tracy. Terrific.
한편 버질은 수술을 마치고 대기실에서 기다립니다.
Hello?
We're here.
Hi.
How are you feeling?
The doctor said that you did great.
Bit like a tequila hangover.
수술은 잘 된 듯하지만
Who are those people?
We're sending this closed circuit into one of our conference rooms. See, get started?
Yeah.
촬영팀을 앞에 두고 붕대를 풀기 시작하고
Right? So this is just the outside. Okay, face.
기대하는 에이미. 누나 제니는 두 번째 수술이라 걱정이 앞섰죠. 예상대로 문제가 있었습니다.
Oh,
그렇게 눈을 떠보지만
so, what do you see? Well, what do you see?
I don't know.
See Amy?
그의 눈은 원시 상태였던 것입니다.
This isn't right. Something's wrong.
No, it's not fine. Don't say it's fine.
초점이 흔들리고 빛도 쳐다볼 수 없는 현기증만 날 뿐이었죠.
Get the lights off. Okay, all right. Okay, Virgil is gone. Now let's everybody just calm down.
혼란스러운 남자.
What can we do?
Give me something in my hands.
하지만 의사는 괜찮을 거라 말하고
Hey.
Just dissociate now. Use your touch.
침착하게 다시 물건을 바라보았죠. 그녀를 바라보기 위해 버질은 힘을 냅니다.
What's going on?
Use the can.
He's associated.
이제 걱정되는 에이미.
Virgil, give your eyes a rest. Okay? I'll be very happy. We've got something.
걱정된 에이미는 의사에게 물어보고
Is that what you call seeing?
Look, I mean, he's picking up images. I mean, for all intents and purposes, it's a success.
Sister, he can't see anything except a Coke can.
He just doesn't understand what he sees.
보는 방법을 모른다고 말합니다.
There is a visual therapist. Look, we are all on new ground here. I mean, he can see.
한편 퇴원 준비하던 버질은 자신을 보게 되고
Hello?
보이는 모든 것을 알지 못했습니다. 거리 감각도 없었죠. 그는 에이미를 바라볼 수 있을까요? 잠시간의 시간이 흐르고 그제서야 자신이란 걸 알게 되지만 버질이 걱정된 누나는 그의 방에 들어옵니다. 하지만 눈으로는 그녀를 알아보지 못하죠.
Amy?
No, it's Jen. This is me.
So this is
제니는 집으로 돌아가길
Be
바라지만
all right as soon as we can get you home.
you. Stay right here in New York.
Who's going to take care of you?
돌아갈 생각이 없던 남자.
She's going to look after you.
And I'm not blind anymore, Jenny.
당분간 시간을 준다고 하지만
2 weeks.
I'm not gonna do anything to lose her.
에이미를 놓치고 싶지 않았죠. 그렇게 누나는 돌아가고 에이미의 집으로 향했던 두 사람.
Whoa, you okay?
Oh, God.
We'll go slow.
What's that?
Oh, it's a shadow, sweetie. It's
그는 그림자조차 알지 못합니다.
I feel like such a child.
눈으로 보는 모든 것이 처음이었던 남자.
Ow. Does this look like this all the time?
하지만 그들에게는 중요치 않습니다. 서로를 바라보고 싶었던 두 사람.
Great. Let me just look at you.
에이미의 모든 것이 보고 싶었던 남자. 그녀는 부끄러웠죠.
Like all of me? Oh God. I mean, I'm so nervous. I can't believe this. What if you don't like what you...
I'll close my eyes.
눈을 감는다고 하지만
No. This is your first seeing day. You have to see everything.
세상에 처음으로 제대로 보는 것은 그녀이기를 바랬고 그녀 또한 그러기를 바랬습니다.
So this is what beautiful looks like.
시각 치료사를 찾아간 그들.
Virgil, says here you went blind as a child. You have a problem with its shape, size, and distance. Brain hasn't learned to process the information. It's called this visual agnosia.
그의 뇌는 혼란스러운 연옥이라 말합니다.
Limbo? I mean, have anything else that might help us with Virgil's condition?
하지만 치료법이 없었죠.
You were expecting Anne Bancroft. I'd like to help, but unfortunately, there's no manual.
모든 건 버질이 노력해야 한다고 말하고
You said you'd like to help. I'm completely confused.
All right. You want a lesson?
Yes.
Lesson number 1.
그렇게 이유를 말하는 남자.
What's this? Good. Okay. What's this?
잡지를 펼쳐보며 다시 한번 물어보죠.
Is it an apple or just a picture of an apple?
Okay. So, my eyes lie.
No matter what I could teach you, no matter what exercises, eyesight can and will play tricks on you. Look, Virgil, you have to learn to see just like you learn to speak. It's not enough to just see.
보는 것을 처음부터 경험해야 한다고 말합니다.
You've got to learn to trust your instincts.
아이처럼 처음부터 배우는 남자.
What is it?
Look up.
This is art? That is beautiful.
정말 아이 같았죠.
The words read something pretty nasty, Virgil.
What is it?
What's that? That lump?
That's a homeless person.
You just walk right past him. I don't want to look away. I want to see. I want to.
looking at? Get out of here!
하지만 버질은 나쁜 것조차 구분할 수 없습니다.
Immediately following the operation, the patient experienced extreme disorientation. Virgil is still very reliant.
아직도 버질은 촉각에 의존해서 사물을 구분했었죠.
It's a dog.
And his understanding of three-dimensionality is very limited and confounding to it.
Therapeutic shiatsu.
안마사의 일자리를 구인해보지만
Basic employment package. Just fill these out.
글자조차 쓸 수 없었던 남자.
I'm just gonna take this off, fill it out, and I'll just bring it back, okay? All right.
Sweetie, it might help if you kind of...
에이미가 도우려 하지만
Do it, okay? I have to have somebody else do it for me, like I was a blind.
그것조차 힘들기만 합니다.
I can't fill out a goddamn application. Your helping isn't helping.
점점 멀어지는 두 사람. 이별은 시작되었다.
This is an unexpected physiological flaw and that Virgil will be able to overcome. Well, that's it for today. Thank you.
어느 날 인터뷰가 있던 날
Mr. Adamson, I'm Christy Evans from NY.
우연히 그의 아버지가 그들을 보게 되고
Pinecrest, New York, for a Jenny Adamson.
In terms of your operation, were the results?
Here, maybe try this.
이제 그녀의 관심도 힘들기만 했죠.
I don't want to con. Not about my eyes. I just want to sit here and eat. Let's talk about something else.
Yeah, no, we were invited to a party tomorrow night, Duncan's birthday.
신경 쓰였던 덩컨의 생일 파티.
Okay, I'll go.
갑자기 조각상을 물어보는 버질.
Why haven't you finished your sculpture? I want to know. The way you said it made me think that you never would, so that's why I'm asking. It's beautiful, but you said you didn't like it.
냉담한 대답.
So, maybe I'm not an artist.
서로 거리가 생긴다는 걸 느낀 두 사람. 답답하기만 합니다.
What's that?
It's a lobster.
People eat this? Hello?
갑자기 찾아온 누나는 어디론가 데려가죠.
Tell me why we're here.
Well, my father's.
떠났던 아버지가 연락했던 것입니다.
Oh no, I can't see him.
He heard about the operation. He's asked to see you.
No, Jenny.
하지만 어릴 적 자신을 버렸던 그를 보고 싶지는 않았던 버질. 주위를 둘러싼 모든 것이 힘들기만 합니다.
You know, I've been thinking about that party, and we don't have to go if you don't want to. It's no big.
It's your partner's birthday party, or if you want me to meet your friends.
Yeah.
억지로 생일 파티까지 가게 되고
That's the way you fight.
도수가 있던 와인으로 마음을 달래려 했죠. 그때 들어오는 전 남편 덩컨.
You didn't.
눈으로 보이는 건 모두 진실이라고 믿는 남자.
You alright?
He always plays jokes. Yeah, he's just kidding around.
그녀를 보며 말을 비꼬는 덩컨.
So how is it going? Quite what you expected, is it?
What do you mean?
Sometimes good intentions aren't enough. And look at me, I'm still a jerk.
Well, happy birthday, jerk.
그 모습을 바라보는 남자. 생일 축하 키스하는 모습을 처음 보았던 버질.
Hey, I wanted you to meet Duncan Virgil.
It's good to see you.
All these days, it's good to see anything.
Oh, Amy, sorry about Atlanta.
애틀랜타 이야기를 하는 덩컨.
Tried to spring a meeting on me for tomorrow, but I told him not to go.
질투에 화가 난 버질은 물어보죠.
What does you kissing Duncan say?
It says it's his birthday.
What's this look mean?
What look? Doesn't mean anything. Just
조용하던 음악이 바뀌어버리고 화가 난 버질은 여기를 나가려고 합니다.
I don't belong here.
원근감이 없던 버질.
No, fuck looking.
사고가 나버리고
Take me home.
Are you okay?
Just take me home.
그렇게 두 사람은 멀어져만 갔었죠. 집으로 돌아온 그들, 고민에 빠져있던 에이미.
Besides, my plane
다시 애틀랜타로 가려 하고
will be gone a day or two.
I don't think you're going. They're giving you problems, huh? Amy, I'm looking at a total.
사실 자신이 변해가는 게 불편했던 버질.
You, I just feel like I saw you better when I was blind.
And I'm gonna go to bed before we both say things that we don't mean.
말을 듣다 잠자리로 향하는 에이미. 더 이상 상처가 생기는 게 싫었죠. 다음날 심리치료사를 찾아간 버질.
Hey, Virgil. So you came crawling back, huh?
답답한 마음을 이야기할 사람이 없던 남자.
Come on, let's call it a day.
How is it working with the kids?
And they're the easiest. It's the adults who get stubborn.
농화 교육에 관심이 생겼던 남자. 그때 웹스터는 사과를 물어봅니다.
Come on. I got a place for you. We've got to move on to vegetables. And they're the easiest.
When I was blind, I couldn't see. Don't laugh.
Oh, you gotta be kidding.
이젠 보이지만 보는 게 더 어렵기만 했었죠.
See things that you don't want to see.
So we're not talking eyes here, we're talking the heart.
마음으로 보라는 남자.
None of that matters if you lose sight of what you want.
I think I know what you're saying. I don't know if I'll ever be able to make music.
I don't care for the trees. I think we should lose them.
덩컨과 애틀랜타로 떠난 에이미.
How can the man not care for the trees?
Well, we'll just have to change them, that's all. Hey, let me buy you a drink.
갑자기 술 한 잔을 권하는 남자.
Look, they're playing our song.
Mac the Knife was our song.
그렇게 카페에 들러 둘만의 파티를 했었죠.
Not so bad, huh? It's nice dancing together again.
덩컨은 그녀와 다시 시작하려 하고
So what happened to us, Amy? Why'd you give up on us?
You know, I was just a kid then.
You know, I fell in love with you. It used to work.
That's bullshit.
분위기를 잡으며 덩컨은 그녀에게 키스하려 하고 하지만
Oh God, I'm sorry. This is wrong. I have to go home.
그녀는 거절하죠.
Be a babysitter.
Don't say that.
후회하며 늦은 밤 버질에게 달려가는 여자. 나는 그 사람을 사랑했다. 그렇게 집에 도착했지만 버질은 보이지 않습니다.
Virgil?
공원에 있다는 말을 들은 에이미. 그를 만나러 가게 되고 택시로 다가가는 남자.
It's perspective. The cab has changed, so it got close.
그는 이제 보이는 모든 걸 직시하려 했던 것이죠.
Yeah, but you're gonna get yourself killed doing that in the middle of the street.
공원으로 향한 두 사람. 에이미는 미안합니다. 애틀랜타로 떠난 게 미안했던 여자.
Doesn't excuse how I've acted. Further and further away from me.
아버지를 말하는 버질.
Well, Jenny came to see me, and I went to see my father, and I couldn't see him.
또다시 버림받을까 두려웠던 남자.
I was afraid,
이별이 두려웠던 버질. 그녀에게 부탁하죠.
and I don't want you to give up on me.
I won't, Virgil.
And I want you to come home.
그는 이제 변해갑니다.
Virgil had been a touch person. Now, as a sighted person, Virgil has a newfound ability to understand distance, shape, color, perspective, becoming a seeing person.
그렇게 행복을 찾은 두 사람. 한참을 고민하던 그녀는 고백을 합니다.
I love you.
하지만 그 행복은 길지 않았죠. 언제나 만남 뒤에는 이별이 있다.
Okay, close your eyes.
옷을 선물하는 에이미. 건물 오프닝 행사가 다가왔었죠.
Because it's your first time seeing any of my work finished. I thought that we could both dress up to celebrate.
갑자기 버질은 보이지 않게 되고
What's the matter?
그녀가 걱정할까 괜찮다고 말합니다.
It's really great.
You look great in it.
다음 날 일을 하고 있는 버질. 증상은 더 심해졌었죠. 눈에 이상이 생겼다는 걸 알게 되고 그렇게 아론 박사에게 찾아가지만
How long has this been going on?
A couple of days.
고민하던 의사는 그의 병이 재발되었다고 말합니다.
I'm afraid the retinal disease seems to have returned.
I was healed of that, so.
I don't know whether to supply enough oxygen to your retinas.
앞날이 두려웠던 남자.
When? Well, it's hard to say. A month.
그렇게 시간은 얼마 남지 않았고 병원을 뛰쳐나온 버질. 그는 모든 것을 잃을까 겁이 납니다. 눈은 계속 어두워지고 다시 맹인이 되기 전에 그는 아버지를 한번 만나보기로 하죠. 자신을 버린 이유가 궁금했었던 남자.
Why did you leave?
Talk about this later.
No, answer my question.
Serge, can we? My own failures. I woke up every morning and looked at you. I couldn't get my own son to see them.
아버지는 말도 안 되는 변명을 말하고
I knew you could.
그때 버질은 말합니다.
And I'm going blind again. You're the first person I've told. You know what you did to my mom? You know what you did to Jenny? You shouldn't have left.
그렇게 아버지를 뒤로하고 이제 그녀와의 이별을 준비해야 했었죠. 그리고는 그녀를 찾아갑니다.
What are you doing here?
아무것도 몰랐던 에이미. 여행을 가자고 말하죠.
I thought that maybe we could take a trip. It's going so great right now, and you're doing so well. A seeing celebration.
A seeing celebration.
Yeah, and you and I could both see the pyramids, and I could show you the Notre Dame Cathedral.
그와 보고 싶은 게 너무 많았던 여자. 하지만 그럴수록 버질의 가슴은 무너집니다.
There is one place I'd like to see.
처음으로 아이스하키 경기장을 찾게 된 두 사람. 그 기쁨도 잠시, 이내 어지럼과 눈이 멀어지는 증상이 찾아왔죠. 그때 눈에 들어오는 기억 속의 그림자. 어릴 적 맹인이 되기 전 처음으로 기분을 좋게 해준 그 기억으로 다가갑니다. 폭신한 느낌의 사람들이 구름이라던 그것이죠. 다시 앞이 보이지 않게 되고 에이미도 그가 이상하단 걸 알게 됩니다.
Are you okay? This is the puffy thing? This is the cloud? Oh my god, it's cotton candy.
이제서야 찾고 싶었던 기억을 찾았지만
Thank you so much for taking me here.
다시 절망으로 빠져드는 남자.
Are you okay? These people over here on the right, on the right.
Oh, I'm sorry.
이상했던 에이미. 그에게 물어보죠.
Honey, what's going on?
Blackouts. It was the longest.
Has this happened before today?
장님이 다시 될 거라 말하고
What do you mean? We can.
의사에게 가자고 하지만
Maybe your eyes are just overworked. You've been doctor.
I saw Dr. Aaron.
Well, we'll go to another doctor. Let's go to another doctor.
There's nothing they can do.
And he'll tell us what's happening. I mean,
We just go home. That's what's happening.
가장 행복했던 순간, 가장 불행했던 두 사람.
I want to go home. It's a good game.
what are you doing?
I'm leaving.
떠나려고 하는 남자.
You're leaving New York or you're leaving me?
I'm not going through this bullshit again.
마음 아프지만 그녀를 놓아주려 합니다.
Is that what this has been to you? Bullshit?
Yes. Okay, I don't belong here. I'm not meant to see.
Why are you shutting me out? Why didn't you tell me what was going on with you? I promised you that I wouldn't give up on you, and I'm not.
I'm not asking you to give up on the idea of me seeing.
That's all I wanted to give you a chance for. Didn't you have dreams? Didn't you want to see or learn or...
생각지도 않던 싸움까지 하게 되고 그렇게 깨져버린 그녀의 조각상.
When you asked me here, did you ever think for 1 minute it wouldn't work out? Be with me, the blind man?
장님과 살아가는 에이미를 걱정했던 버질. 그렇게 두 사람은 이별을 맞이하죠. 다시 고향으로 돌아간 버질. 서로를 가슴에 묻은 채 에이미는 깨진 조각상을 다시 만들고 있습니다. 며칠이 지난 어느 날 버질은 통학차를 보며 생각에 빠지게 되고 자신과 같은 농아를 돕기로 결심했었죠. 그녀가 보고 싶다던 장소들, 더 눈이 멀기 전에 그곳을 머릿속에 담아두기로 합니다. 그렇게 만나지 못하고 몇 달이 흘러버렸습니다.
Hello?
Hi.
Hey, Jess.
맹인이 될 날이 얼마 남지 않았던 남자.
I picked up some things at the store.
누나를 위해 버질은 결심합니다.
Look at me.
누나와 이별을 하기로 결심했던 남자.
This was a great place to grow up. It was very safe.
장님 동생을 위해 장님처럼 살았던 제니.
Manner to me, Jenny.
Virgil, please.
이제 그녀를 보내주기로 하죠.
I want to say thank you, and I want to give you your life back. I love you from the bottom of my soul.
I can't.
Yes, you can. Reaching out.
그렇게 홀로 인생을 시작했던 남자. 혼자서 모든 걸 이겨내며 살아갑니다.
Growing up blind, I had two dreams. One was to see, and the other was to play hockey for the New York Rangers. Miracle of my brief period of sight. Some were really beautiful.
이제 농아들을 가르치며 살아갔었죠.
The light fades. As a blind man, I think that I see a lot better than I did while I was sighted. Because I don't really think we see with our eyes. We don't look at what's real about ourselves. No operation can do that.
시간이 한참 지나서야 우리는 서로를 바라보았다. 공원에 점심을 먹으려는 남자. 쓰레기를 제대로 넣지 못했죠.
You missed.
Missed?
Hey.
Amy?
용기 내어 그를 다시 찾아왔던 에이미.
I was just in the neighborhood.
그때와 같은 말을 합니다.
I thought maybe I could find you in the park.
This is Pierce. My new dog.
다시 시작하려 찾아왔던 여자.
I rushed, didn't I? 14 paces to the tree and I made a slam right into it.
Are you happy?
그리고 조각상을 말합니다.
Virgil, I finished the sculpture. And what it was beautiful.
Thank you.
이젠 있는 그대로 사랑하려는 두 사람.
Do you want to walk?
See what we see?
Yeah, just see what we see.
처음처럼 다시 그녀의 얼굴로 손을 가져가며 그들은 그렇게 다시 사랑을 시작해봅니다. 심리학자 올리버 박사가 기록한 셜과 바바라의 실제 이야기를 바탕으로 제작된 영화입니다. 3년 만에 재회해서 결혼하게 된 두 사람. 바바라는 계속 조각을 하고 있으며 셜은 그녀와의 추억을 떠올리며 그림을 그렸다고 합니다. 그들이 결혼 후 15년이 지난 2003년 셜은 63세의 나이로 세상을 떠났습니다. 뉴요커 에이미와 시각장애인 버질의 사랑 이야기를 그린 동화 같은 이야기, 사랑이 머무는 풍경입니다. 다음엔 더 감동 깊은 영화로 만나겠습니다. 시청해주셔서 감사합니다.